Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please kindly subscribe. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to replace your headlight bulb to an LED type. This is a 2010 Toyota Corolla, and there are 4 lights that make the entire headlight housing for this car. You have the high beam, the low beam, the turning signal, and the parking light. But in this video, I'll be replacing the low beam light. Particular LED light I got is from Auxito. They're the sponsor of this video, and they got quality headlight bulb. You can check out their website and then use my promo code EasyDIY to get 15% discount off and free shipping. You can see I got all the parts right here, and then I'm going to be throwing this into my headlight. So this is where I'm going to start from. Like I said, I got the part already, and all you have to do is to look for the lights. And I'm gonna start from the left hand side because it's kind of tight on by the battery over there. But basically all you need to do now is just to grab the light, reach for it, and then turn it to the left and pull. Like I said, you just gotta turn it to your left and then pull it out. And it's so easy like that. So now all you have to do is just to disconnect the old bulb from the connector. Press gently on the tab and then pull it back. It's just gonna come easy. If it's feel tight, don't rush it, just wiggle it a little bit. So grab your LED bulb right now. That's a positive and negative terminal. Just look carefully on it. There's a place that says positive and negative. Just follow the direction and then plug it until you hear a click sound to make sure it's secured in there. And all you have to do right now is just to throw the light back into the headlight, just the same way you had it, but this time you just have to turn to your right until you make sure it's secured in there. Now it's secured. I have to go now and show you guys how it looks like.
Yeah, as you can see, this is the new LED light I just installed. This is the old yellow halogen light. You can see the clear difference between the halogen and this new LED light. So all I just have to do right now is to change the other side, and I'll show you. Now I'm done with it. You can see how bright both lights look, and they look good, fully installed. And this is daytime. Let me take you for a night drive, and you see. Yeah, you can see beautiful light, quality LED. This is so good. Don't forget to check their website and use my promo code. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. See you again sometime. Thank you.